Hey there! Today I'm diving into something that might seem very basic but is absolutely revolutionary in engineering. Conveyor systems. Yep, those simple-looking belts you see in supermarkets or factories are game changers. Let's start with the basics. A conveyor system is a mechanical handling device that moves materials from one point to another. Think of it as a continuous loop that transports items like a never-ending train. These systems have been around since the early 20th century, and have evolved massively over the years. You might be wondering, why are conveyor systems such a big deal? Well, for starters, they significantly increase efficiency. Imagine a production line where workers have to manually carry heavy loads from one station to another. Not only does it slow down the process, but it also leads to fatigue and potential injuries. With a conveyor system, materials move seamlessly, reducing the need for manual labor and speeding up production. Let's look at some applications. In the automotive industry, conveyor systems are a lifeline. From moving raw materials to transporting finished cars, these systems streamline the entire manufacturing process. In food processing, they ensure that products move hygienically and efficiently from one stage to another, maintaining quality and safety. And in airports, those baggage carousels that bring you your luggage? Yep, that's a type of conveyor system too. There are different types of conveyor systems designed for specific needs. Belt conveyors are the most common, perfect for moving items over long distances. Roller conveyors handle heavier loads and are great for warehouses. Then there are chain conveyors used for moving products on assembly lines. Each type has its unique advantages, making them indispensable in various industries. Now, let's talk about the future. With advancements in technology, conveyor systems are becoming smarter. Incorporating IoT and automation, they can now predict maintenance needs, optimize routes, and even self-adjust speeds to enhance efficiency. Imagine a system that not only moves your product, but also tells you when it needs a tune-up. Super cool, right? Conveyor systems are more than just moving belts. They are the backbone of modern logistics and manufacturing. They save time, reduce costs, and improve safety. Whether you're an engineering student or a professional, understanding these systems can give you a significant edge in the industry. So, next time you see a conveyor belt, remember it's not just moving items, it's moving the world forward. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engineering insights. Catch you in the next one.